Are you unknowingly destroying your neck and your spine with your computer screen or your phone right this very moment? Your neck and your spine starts to deform and you'll be permanently damaged. We are of course talking about the forward head posture, tech neck, text neck, Tex-Mex. The devil has many names. Luckily the situation isn't that terrible. You are not doing any immediate irreversible damage with this posture, but the studies show that over time this will affect you more. The studies show also that younger people can take more punishment in this regards, their bodies can take it, but as you get older, this posture affects you more and can have a negative effect. It's all about the cumulative damage and age. So be ahead of the curve, save your future self. Hello, handsome. Or your present self with these two things that we will show you. The first thing is an exercise that will counter the posture and fix your mobility, activate deep postural muscles from the neck region, and will give you relief for your neck pain. And no, it's not the boring chin tuck that everybody is doing. This is better. And the second thing is even better than any specific exercises. And no, it's not an ergonomics thing. And yes, it's the best hack/trick to combat this problem. Briefly on why the head forward posture is bad. This head forward posture alters the muscle function. As your head goes forward, the more you need to use your head extensors to carry your head compared to a centered alignment of your head. The head forward posture also causes a domino effect. So when your head moves forward, also your shoulders get rounded out, so they tilt forward, and your upper back kyphosis gets more prominent, meaning this curve here. So if you are in this posture, this position for longer periods of time, day in, day out, then this posture will start to alter your muscles so that your pecs get really tight and shortened, sternocleidomastoid muscles get really tense and tight, and also your neck extensors and upper back/shoulder muscles get really overworked. And this can cause pain in your shoulder region, in your neck region, can give you headaches and dizziness, and even alter your breathing. And everybody knows that breathing is really important for your mind and your physiology. This first exercise will counter the movement and will mobilize the point where the neck part of your spine turns into your upper back part of spine. Yeah, this part. This part usually becomes also problematic and painful when you engage in this forward head posture shenanigans. This exercise also stretches your upper neck muscles and activates your deep neck flexors. We'll show you two positions from where to do this, and after this we will show you the most important thing that you can do to combat this nuisance. The first position is a quadruped position. Take a quadruped position and you can put a towel under your palms if your wrists hurt, or just form a fist to fist the ground surface. Sorry, my English is bad. Fisting is good word for this, yes. Then do few cat cows. So extend your whole spine, arch it and then flex it. And do it again. And now stay in the center. Get the center position of these two extremes. Now, when the spine is in a perfect alignment, it's time to put your scapulas, so your shoulder blades, into a nice holding position. Try to imagine that you push through the floor. As you can see, your torso will go further away from the floor, meaning you are engaging your serratus muscles. Now let your torso hang between the shoulders. And between these two extremes lies the perfect midpoint activation for your shoulders in this exercise. Now, from this position, let your head hang low and relaxed. Do first a small flexion, meaning that you bring your chin closer to your throat. Start to now bring your head back up, maintaining a gaze to the line behind your wrists. So you can also place an object there. Anything that fits and you like can be put there. A picture of a lovely pet, or today's video sponsor, nicotine-laced vodka energy drinks. Get yours now. Oh, sorry, wishful thinking. No sponsors yet on our channel. Womp, womp, womp. This gaze will keep your cervical spine from going into an arch, into extension, which is what happens in the forward head position. Now go as far as you can without breaking the form. And now for the things that can go wrong here. You extend your neck while doing this exercise. You do a fierce chin tuck. No excessive chin tuck is needed in this exercise. Just try to keep the back of your head and neck flat and gaze at the hypnotic object. Also, pain while doing this is a no-no. In this case, if you have pain, do a smaller movement so you don't feel any pain. Next, to the easier position, and then how much you should do these exercises. The second position is sitting behind the desk, such as this lovely desk in the conference room in our office building. Push the computer away if possible, and then put your elbows on the desk and sit a little bit further from the desk so that you lean forward. Check that your height is so that your shoulders don't rise too high, and if it's like that, then put pillows on your chair if need be. Now, when you are leaning forward, let your head hang relaxed, and then again the same procedure. Little flexion, so your chin closer to your throat, and then start to lift your head up and keep watching between your elbows at the desk. And the same applies here. Keep your neck straight, no chin poke, no pain, and go only as far as the form holds. Pick one position or do both of these positions. Do 10 to 20 reps and do 2 times a day if possible, and can even give you more relief during the day. And now maybe the most important thing that you can do to reverse the symptoms coming from the forward head posture. Take out your phone if it isn't already. Put a 20 to 30 minute timer on at your workplace. And every time the timer goes off, stand up, stand straight, pull your shoulders back a little, but not back up or down, just straight back. Lift your sternum a little bit towards the ceiling. And now also do a small nod. So chin slightly towards your throat. Keep this position for 15 to 25 seconds and then go back at your work to get those bonuses until your timer alerts again. So here were the 2 simple yet effective things that you can do, but remember, the battle against the forward head posture and neck issues needs to be held on many fronts, and here is a great activation exercise to fix your forward rounded posture of your shoulders and upper back. If you remember the domino effect that I told you about, so this exercise will activate the muscles back there, and this will in turn increase blood flow, better your posture, and also better your head alignment. Definitely check out this video.